I have here two gaskets that I am going to trace the entire design using the logic trace system. Start with an arc, doing this inside piece right here. I got an arc, 3 points, switch to a line. So I am going to do both of these gaskets going all the way around. Video is going to take a little bit of time, doing lines, arcs, and curves, but I'm going to get a great outline that I can save as a file. Back to a line. Got a couple arcs here. Little arc there. And I got one more line. Click stop. Let's redraw it. And it looks great. Okie doke. Let's do the next one here. Click start. I'm going to start with an arc. Doing this little piece right here. That little corner there, got a line, another arc, line, arc. I'm not doing a whole lot of talking this time because I got to concentrate on getting a nice, good outline here. Do the whole thing of that. Gaskets are one of the hardest things to digitize, but they also complicated in it. Logic trace helps a lot. I'm all done. Click stop. Hit redraw. Also got a great outline there. Let's do all these circles. Now I can double check the diameter of the circles and make sure the diameter is correct. I'm just going to go ahead and do 3 points around this circles and pop them in there. There they are. Click stop. Now let's do that outside edge. Whoops, I said a circle, got to get cancel. Let's go back to a arc, click start. Okay, I'm going to start right here. Arc there. These are a series of arcs. Do a little bit of arc here at the top. Got a line, got an arc, another arc, a little line here, a couple arcs, one more little arc. Click stop. Let's redraw it. Oh, it looks great. Let's see if we've made any mistakes. No, I don't think so. I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's do that other one. Click trace start. I'm going to start with an arc. I'm going to start right here. And then there's actually a couple of different arcs in here. A little arc here. You got a line. And two more arcs. One small one there, big one there. Let's take a look at it. Let's hit redraw. Looks good. I got a little thing here. I can fix that in a CAD program when I'm all done. Let's go and trace the outside. So I'm going to start right here. These are all arcs, as you can tell. Just have to decide where the arcs stop and start. After you've done it a couple of these, you get good at figuring out where those arcs are. all done. Click stop. Let's redraw. See how we did. And it looks great. I think just besides that one little point there, we got it. Oh, I forgot I got the circles. Let's do the circles. Okay, 3-point circles. Click start. I like the circles, they're fun. I got one more. Double check. That's it. Click stop. Click redraw. Take a look at everything. Yeah, it looks great just for that one spot there. I can redigitize it or just put it in the CAD program and change it in the CAD program. Let's go ahead and save the DXF file.